Hi, it's Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our SC680 electrical clamp meter. Now, did you know that the SC680 has TRMS or True RMS functionality? Now, TRMS stands for True Root Mean Square, and it's using this technology that allows us to get a much more accurate voltage and amperage of the systems that we're working on. So some AC or refrigeration systems, certainly those with variable frequency drives, can see big spikes and drops in the waveforms of both volts and amps. And it's in these situations where a TRMS meter is required. And so our SC680 can take a more accurate measurement on these variable frequency drive systems, and that is thanks to the True RMS technology. And it does this by showing you a truer measurement value, which is unaffected by these big spikes and irregular patterns. This means that with the SC680, you can continue to take your electrical measurements more efficiently by being able to view and document these values without the distortion created by the variable frequency drives, ultimately resulting in being able to do and get the job done easier, faster and better. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.